The storm's over, the power's back on. It's time to put the generator away. Take 10 minutes, do a little bit of servicing on this to ensure that it's ready to go the next time you need it. The principle is simple. You want to get every bit of gasoline out of this so that it doesn't sit here and gum up the petcock, the fuel line, or the carburetor. And we're going to start with turning it on, switching off the fuel, and let it run until it dies on its own. To drain the fuel tank, we're going to take the fuel line off of the petcock. Pliers to take the spring clip off. And then take the fuel line off of there. And this extra bit of fuel line is just spare in the kit. We just put on there without any spring clip, it's fine. And then we'll just put the other end into a gas can. Turn on the fuel, open up the cap to let the air in, and this should let it all drain out. This bolt on the front of the carburetor bowl, 10 millimeter. And that's going to let whatever fuel is left in the bowl drain out. While the gasoline is draining out, we're going to check the oil. Check the color. It's a light brown, that's a nice color. And the instruction says the maximum level should be just to the bottom of those threads. Let's see if you can see. Needs a little bit of oil. So they give you this funny shaped funnel that almost does the job. And that looks good. The manufacturer recommends using 10W30 oil and changing it after 50 hours of use. And then we take this spare fuel line that we use to drain and put the normal fuel line to the carburetor back on. This little spring clip goes back up over the nipple, provide some tension so it doesn't come off. And then this 10 millimeter bolt, well, the head's 10 millimeters, goes back into the carburetor bowl. And just get a little snug. And it won't hurt to check the air filter. Yeah, it looks pretty good. There we go. Drain the gas tank, drain the carburetor, check the oil, check the air filter, and this generator is ready to go into storage and should run perfectly the next time I need it. I'm Steve from Workbench-Z. Go have fun with your tools. Holding it.